my name is Casey, and this is Forever Sun Seekers, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about scholarships for studying abroad. Now, a lot of people think of scholarships as being really difficult or competitive to get into. This is somewhat true, but this shouldn't deter you from trying to apply for them. I'm going to give you tips on how to strategize and apply for different scholarships. So here are my 7 steps for study abroad. So step 1, do all of your research. What country do you want to go to? How long do you want to study abroad? Why are you studying abroad? And also look for your EFC. You can find your EFC, or expected family contribution, by filing your FAFSA, and you can get a number that basically determines how much the federal government expects your family to contribute to your university tuition or costs. Number 2, make a list of all of the scholarships that apply to you and your program. After you answer all of the questions in number 1, you're going to look on different scholarship databases and see what scholarships are out there that match your country of choice, your personal background. That could also be your financial, ethnic, family background. Highly recommend, if you have a Gmail account, to put all of the links of the scholarships that apply to you in that one document, so that way you can go back and organize those links by what their deadlines are, and you have a really nice list. I also recommend that you do this at least 1 year in advance, so that way you don't miss any of the deadlines for the scholarships that you could apply for. I'm also going to put a link of different scholarship databases down below, so be sure to check that out. So step 3, make a list of your calendar deadlines. So I broke up my calendar deadlines into 2 categories. I had my main deadlines, so that's when all the scholarships are due. And then I have my mini deadlines. And those were things like maybe ordering transcripts from the register, speaking to my professors about getting a letter of recommendation, when I would complete different steps of my essay, things like that. I highly recommend that you print out the Google Calendar and you tape it onto your wall, and that way you can visually lay out everything you need to see for getting your scholarship completed. So number 4, gather all of the materials you'll need for all of the scholarships. So go through your master list that you created on Google document and take note of what you need. So how many transcripts do you need for each scholarship, and then write it down. How many letters of recommendation? Also look at the essay questions. What are the essay questions like? More than likely, I guarantee you, all of the scholarship questions are going to be the same, which really means you only need to write one essay and then modify it to suit all the different prompts or word limitations of each scholarship. Number 5, start writing the essay as soon as possible. Break it down into smaller bits. One day you could work on fleshing out your ideas and then just be finished. Maybe another day you could do writing your introduction, writing your body paragraphs, and don't hold yourself to a really high standard when you're writing the essay. Take your time, take it slow. Don't worry about it being perfect the first time you write it, because honestly you're going to be rereading and re-editing it a lot over and over again until you have that perfect, wonderful essay. Don't try to do the whole essay at once. That's just a big no-no. I did 8 scholarship essays, and all of them were pretty much the same. I just altered them because some scholarship applications ask maybe one slightly different question. Maybe another scholarship asked for the word count to be, X amount of words, or maybe another one wanted to know a little bit more about your personal background, how you grew up. So you can go ahead and add in all those different details, but the main bone structure of your scholarship essay for all of them will be the same. Okay, number 6. I recommend that you use FedEx, UPS, or USPS to send in all of your applications. The reason why is you want to have a tracking number and make sure that your hard work gets there safely and early. Okay, early. Number 7, apply to as many as you can. Even if you think, oh my gosh, this is a really prestigious scholarship, there's no way that I can even make it. Even if you just barely qualify, go for it. Go for it, you will never know. The most important thing about applying to as many as you can is the more scholarships that you apply for, the higher the chance that you will get some money. I applied for 8, and the first 5 I did not even get a dime. It was the last 3 that really came through for me. The last 2 I got the Gilman Scholarship, and I also got the Freeman East Asia Scholarship. And thank God, because this was during 2011 when the yen was stronger than the dollar. So it was 77 yen to the United States dollar. Oh. So I got money from them, and I also got a scholarship that I applied for within Japan, and as part of my study abroad application. And I got that too. So overall I got $16,000, which is incredible. It just takes a lot of pressure and weight off of your chest knowing that all of your hard work paid off. That you can actually go abroad and kind of enjoy yourself more. You don't have to worry and stress as much about money. Also, one last final tip. If there is an application that requires you to pay a fee for application, it is a scam. Do not pay for an application fee. No scholarships, grants, or anything like that will charge you for a fee. It's a scam. Don't fall for it. So if you have any more questions, please go ahead and put them down below, and I will try my best to answer them. And if there's any videos you'd like to see regarding studying abroad or even living and working abroad, go ahead and let me know, okay? Alright, I'll see you guys next time.